My wife encouraged me to go into nursing because of how stable the industry is. There's always work to be doing and places to work. There's the challenges of all the homework. There's the challenges of still having to work and go to school and manage a family all at the same time. Relying on peers, strong family support, and then working very hard. Always setting a day aside or two aside for family life, and then being able to still work on school. So it might be 15 or 20 minutes that I have downtime, so I would work on school, and then I would spend the rest of the time with my family, so we would just use time more efficiently. The biggest thing is just to stick with it and work hard at it, and at the end your goals can eventually be met. You just have to learn how to balance life, school, and work, and it's most definitely achievable, and Fox Valley Technical College makes it a very streamlined process, especially older, wiser learners or continuing educators or people that have been in the industry for 20 years and are going back to school. I've taken everything that I've learned through all my industries and all the things I've done and all the boards I've sat on and all the committees I've been a part of, and it still feeds me today, and I still use what I've learned from the past. But you're always learning, evolving, adapting.